Hi everyone, welcome back. Thanks for watching the videos. On last videos, we successfully installed Active Directory and configured and we extended a Active Directory schema and everything. Now on this video, I will start installing SCCM primary site. Okay, let me start now. First few minutes, like basic steps are there, server installation, as we already seen in while installing Active Directory site. Okay, I will go directly fastly. I'm pausing the video. Once server is installed, I will back in between. Selecting second one. Accept the license. Next. Custom. Next. It will take time. I will be back. Like I will pause the video. I will start again. Now installation is completed. Giving the credentials. Given credential, clicking on finish. Okay. After login to the server, same thing, settings you need to do changing. Computer name, firewalls, and network adapter settings we need to change. Same as we did on Active Directory site. Open server manager, then go to the local server. Click on computer name. Change. Now give you host name here, SCCM server. Okay, sorry, I will do rename the host name later. First of all, I will do firewalls of all firewalls are off. Which one it is enabled? Now every firewall is switched off. Now I'm changing Ethernet settings. Go to properties and check IPv6 and Select IPv4, give that IP address 10.10.2. 10.10.1 I already given to the Active Directory side, so I'm giving other IP address as 2. Then press tab button. Here I am giving DNS server name. DNS is same as Active Directory IP address I given. Okay, click OK. Now I'm changing the host name. I will tell you why initially I'm not changed. Because now I will change the host name as well, and same way I will join the domain. Okay. If you first of all, if you change the host name, then it will ask for reboot. For that, you need to reboot 2 times. Instead of that, once if you after changing that IP addresses, then you can able to directly join domain and host. You can able to change the host name in both same. Okay. Server domain lab.com. Click OK. If everything fine, it will ask for prompts. If you did anything wrong on Ethernet settings and all, it will show as error. Now everything is fine. That's why it is asking the credentials. Okay, administrator and password. Click OK. Okay, now see, welcome to the lab.com. Now SCCM server is added to the domain. Click OK. Now reboot is required. After rebooting the server, you need to log into the domain account. You can ignore this one, no problem. Okay, it will ask for reboot. Close this. Before restarting, I will install drivers like whatever the drivers we install on Active Directory. Same way I will install here as well. Insert that. Go to my computer. Okay, I installed it. Okay, I will reboot now. Now server is restarting. In Active Directory, you can able to see SCCM server in users. I will show you. Active Directory, administrative tools, Active Directory users and computers. Expand lab.com, computers. See, you can able to see SCCM server because we joined SCCM server into lab domain. Okay, that's why we are able to see the list of the servers. Okay. whatever the devices are there in that domain, we can able to see here in Active Directory. Okay. Now SCCM server is restarted. Let's go to server. Now I'm login with, if you directly login with as administrator, that is a local account. Now the SCCM server is already joined as a domain, correct? Now I'm logging into domain account. Lab/administrator. Click OK. Okay, again, we'll check everything. Firewalls, network adapter settings. Because once after joining the domain, again, we need to check that one. Okay. Now we need to check firewalls and network adapter settings. Okay, after adding to the domain. Okay. Now all firewalls are stopped. Let me check Ethernet settings. Auto properties. Here is everything is fine. Click OK, no problem. Thanks for watching the video. Next video, I will configure remaining things like SQL, ADK, and SCCM. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.